Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the car battery and the tracker battery, then inspect the 12V fuse and wiring harness for loose connections. Once done, verify the SIM card, active data plan, and APN settings on your phone so the device can register. Next, locate the unit, Obdroman 2, hardwired or hidden module, and gather tools, multimeter, screwdrivers, zip ties. This gets you into the repair process quickly. Don't delay the first actionable steps. You now diagnose the problem. Use a multimeter to measure voltage at the tracker connector, check ground continuity, and confirm the ignition trigger line works. If power is correct, inspect the antenna and coax for breaks, reseat or replace connectors, and repair solder joints because signal loss often hides in wiring. Once hardware is stable, update firmware and reset the device. Make sure to reflash configuration and re-register the SIM so the tracker reports properly. You finish by reinstalling the tracker securely. Use weatherproof seals, zip ties, and non-conductive mounts, then conceal the unit but keep access for future service. Next, verify live tracking, drive a short route, test geofences, and check historical logs to confirm accuracy. Finally, document the repairs and parts used and schedule a follow-up inspection in 30 days. If problems persist, try this one troubleshooting tip. Swap in a known good SIM from a working phone to isolate network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.